Hello everyone, let's discuss about real-time client production support issue for the GL module. It was a month end and user want to reverse the journal soon, but he was not able to reverse the journal as the reverse button is grayed out. So it was very critical that the issue needs to be resolved for the month end. Let's see in this video how we resolve this issue. We started with the troubleshooting steps. So we asked the user if he was able to reverse the journal with that journal source in the past, and then user mentioned that he never reversed the journals with that journal source in the past. Then we asked the user what exactly is the journal source, and he mentioned it's XYZ, and then we realized that there's a custom source which we have to set up. So all the journals which are getting from the source, other legacy systems are imported into the GL with the particular source. Then we asked him to what exactly the business reason why he want those journals to be reverted directly in the GL. Ideally, there are journals which are imported from like other external system. The reversal journal should be coming from that journal source. So he has provided some kind of business justification. We were satisfied with that. So then, we went into the resolution part. So as per as the resolution part is concerned, we verified that free journals option for that particular journal source. It was set as yes. So if free journal source option is set as yes, then system will not allow those journals to be reversed. I mean, it makes sense generally for any journals which are coming from your external system or like from subledgers. So generally the free journals should be set as yes, because we do not go for any kind of approval for those journals. Generally for manual or spreadsheet journals, sources that free journal option would be set to no. But whereas for other source, it will be set as yes. But this being an exception case, so we took an required approval. We set that free journal source as no under the journal source, and then we asked the user to reverse the journal, and after that we reverted back our setup. That's very much important. This is how we resolve the issue. Let me show you how we resolve the issue in the Oracle application. I can explain this with any journal source as example. Probably I do not have that journal source, but maybe I just pick up any other journal source. Maybe I'll pick up say spreadsheet journal source as an example, and then I'll show the steps which we have executed. So first of all, let me go to the general accounting and journals. So navigation is general accounting, and you have to click on the journals button. Let me search for the journals with the journal source of spreadsheet journal source. Go to manage journals. You can type here as a spreadsheet source as, and you can batch status, put it as posted. I mean, assume that this is the common source which is common source from my explanation perspective. So here you can see if I check any of these journals which are already posted, and if you click on this reverse button, in the batch actions, you can see the reverse. So you can see here reverse is enabled. Now let me go to the journal sources again, and the journal sources, and then disable that particular option, and then come back to this particular screen, and then you should be able to see the journal batch button would be disabled. So for that, we have to go with the setup and maintenance. Let me show you the navigation. Just click on the setup and maintenance. Search with like manage journals. You can do the global search. If you click on the search button, you can type it here, manage journal sources. So click on the manage journal sources. Search for the spreadsheet. This is option like free journals. This is the free journal option. So click here and set it as yes. Okay, just type changed as yes. So I'm saving this. So earlier it was no, and here like hence it was allowing me to reverse the journal batches. Now let me set it as yes. So I already set it as yes. So once I do that, like if I go to that particular screen, reverse button will be disabled. I mean, I need not. I mean, what I like. I need not log out or log in again, or any. You don't want to run any LDAP or any other program. The change should be effective immediately. So let me show you in the manage journals again. Go to the manage journals. Just type it as source as spreadsheet. Posted. Click on the search button. So you can keep your cursor anywhere. Your reverse batch is like disabled. So let me show you that. So click on batch actions. So reverse button is grayed out. It is disabled actually. So this is how we resolve the issue. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Fusion Financials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.